Welcome to CubixSol, redefining tech innovation. Meet CubixSol, we specialize in developing customized software solutions that meet your business needs in the ever-evolving digital world. Innovation, efficiency, and integrity are our core values. We believe every problem has a unique solution and we're committed to finding it. Our team consists of dedicated professionals. We are committed to continuously striving for excellence in software development. We turn your ideas into groundbreaking software solutions. We have a global presence, yet we offer personalized attention to each client. At CubixSol, your success is our success. Not just software, we deliver a seamless experience. We ensure our software complements your business goals, growth, or advancement. Choose CubixSol, where innovative software solutions meet unparalleled service. Let's create a digital future together.